Tutorial we are going to show you that how to fix missing drafts on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, how to fix missing drafts on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app, click on the profile icon. Here you can see all of your drafts, that how to fix missing drafts on TikTok. First of all, you have to check your phone gallery. If they are not available there, then click on the liked option. Maybe some of the drafts you like will be here. If you are still not fixing this problem, now click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll this bar and click on free up space. Clear all the cache from your TikTok device. Then all the missing drafts will appear again. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.